believe in the ability of nature to heal. And to me, one of the things I feel like I'd been waiting for all of my life, at least, my last 10 years of life, has been the Sustainable Sites Initiative. I mean, I was so overwhelmingly delighted and surprised. The first time I ever heard of it was in Washington, D.C. at the National Building Museum. An architect from Andropogon talked about it. And it was, and finally it came out in November of 2007. And basically, it was on the same wavelength, this whole wavelength of ecosystem services, the ability of every little piece of our landscape, no matter how small, to actually help regenerate the planet. And that's what I believe in, that ability of nature to help us out if we let it.